Sprinkle cloves onto a toilet paper roll. This trick solved so many problems for me. Grab a bowl and place a regular toilet paper roll inside. Pour warm water over it so the paper soaks through and becomes soft. After a moment, remove the cardboard tube from the center. Now squeeze out the excess water. The paper should be only slightly damp. Tear it into smaller pieces and fill a container with them. The pieces can be different sizes. Now prepare the cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent that lingers in the air for a long time. Add 1 spoonful of cloves to a grinder and blend them into a fine powder to make the scent even stronger. Take another bowl and pour in about 200 milliliters of warm water. Add the ground cloves. Stir in half a spoonful of cinnamon to boost the mix and make the aroma even more intense and long-lasting. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Let it sit for about 20 minutes so the ingredients blend together. After that, pour the mixture over the paper in the container. Cover it with aluminum foil and poke small holes in it so the aroma can slowly release. And that's it. Your natural air freshener is ready. Place it in the living room or any room, and the scent will spread quickly. You can also set it near a window or a balcony door. The smell creates a pleasant barrier and can help reduce mosquitoes, moths, ants, and other insects. A simple way to keep bugs out of your home, no chemicals and no effort. There's no moisture problem in my home, and you can easily achieve the same. Start by taking a small plastic or glass container. Pour in some salt. Regular table salt works perfectly, but sea salt is also a great option. It has purifying properties and absorbs moisture effectively. Next, add a capful of fabric softener with a floral scent. The final ingredient is alcohol, which disinfects and prevents mold growth. Add about 3 tablespoons to the container. Place your homemade moisture absorber on a windowsill or anywhere in your home. Not only will it reduce humidity, but it will also fill the space with a pleasant fragrance that your family and guests will love. You'll notice the difference right away. The air will feel fresher, and a subtle floral scent will spread throughout your home. Give this method a try and see how quickly it works. I dropped cloves into a bottle of vinegar, and even my neighbors noticed the effect. Start by taking a handful of cloves and placing them in a small pot. Pour in 2 cups of water and simmer on low heat for 5 minutes until the water turns yellow. Once done, let the water cool, then strain it into a bowl to remove any clove residue. Next, add half a cup of any cleaning solution to the clove water. The key ingredient is vinegar. Pour in another half a cup. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap to boost the mixture's effectiveness. Stir everything well until you get a smooth liquid. Pour the finished solution into a spray bottle, and it's ready to use. Now, you're probably wondering what this mixture is for. Let me explain. This unique blend works as both a natural air freshener and an insect repellent. A few sprays will keep flies and other bugs away from your home. It also neutralizes unpleasant odors in the bathroom. Try spraying it on your doormat, and the scent will spread throughout the hallway, impressing not just you but also your neighbors. I always keep a paper towel in the fridge. Some people are surprised by it, but once they try it, they realize it's a brilliant trick. Today, I'll tell you about 2 smart ways to use it. The fridge is a high-humidity environment. Moisture collects on the walls, shelves, and food, which makes fruits and vegetables spoil faster and promotes mold. But there's a simple way to prevent it. Just place a paper towel on a shelf. It absorbs excess moisture and helps reduce condensation. If you wrap it around your produce, it will stay fresh much longer. Just remember to replace it regularly when it gets damp. But that's not the only clever use. A paper towel also helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Simply dampen it slightly. It works like a natural sponge for smells. For even better results, sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda on it. The baking soda neutralizes sour and strong odors, leaving your fridge smelling clean and fresh. It's an easy, low-cost, and completely natural solution to keep your fridge fresh without any chemicals. My home smells wonderful. Everyone asks about my secret. This beautiful scent wafts throughout the house. Most people usually buy scented sachets at drugstores, but they only last for a few days. It's definitely better to try this trick with a box. First, take a small plastic container or cup. Pour salt into it. Regular, inexpensive table salt is perfect, but sea salt works too as it has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, add 1 capful of antibacterial liquid. Then pour in a capful of fabric softener with a pleasant floral scent. Insert 3 long toothpicks into the cup. They will be perfect scent carriers. Place the box in the bathroom or closet, and a lovely fragrance will emerge. Everyone will ask what smells so good, and it also absorbs excess moisture. In my home, there is no humidity. You need to do this in your house. First, take a small plastic container or a small glass jar. Fill it with salt. Regular, inexpensive table salt works perfectly, or you can use sea salt. It has cleansing and moisture-absorbing properties. Next, pour a capful of fabric softener into the container with the salt. It should have a pleasant floral scent. The next ingredient is alcohol, which provides disinfecting and antifungal properties. Pour about 3 tablespoons into the container. Place this container by a window or leave it in any room. It will emit a lovely scent, and everyone will ask what smells so good. Additionally, its main job is to absorb excess moisture. In my home, you can immediately feel the difference. The air is fresh and the floral scent lingers in every room. Be sure to try this simple method and see for yourself how quickly it works. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time.